BusFest has been going on since before I started, and I've been here 8 years. So it's a great time for us to all get back together. This is not just bus drivers, but it's our entire staff, dispatchers, trainers, mechanics. Everybody comes together for BusFest. It's kind of like when all the kids come back to school. It's just this hubbub of activity and everybody's excited. This is day one where everybody is together in one building. Well, the big thing we try and accomplish is just the camaraderie, getting back to see each other, talking about their summer, resetting their focus back to being on the buses and back to working in the terminals. We do cover some very interesting topics. We talk about 8-way violations. We talk about new things coming down from HR. We talk about different things with the nursing staff.
We did a quick 15-20 minute talk in front of them, answered a lot of their questions. They seem to be very excited and very motivated to get into the school year, and excited at what the Sheriff's Office is doing to help them out. The drivers have the capability to communicate directly with law enforcement, which is something we've been able to set up to appropriately hold accountable those drivers that are not paying attention to the rules.
Day two is out at the terminal, so everybody will go back to their terminals or the mechanics back to their shops, and then they do some specific training to that terminal or to their job function. I think it's important that we get back in focus, and we actually have the bus drivers run their routes so they know what they're going to be dealing with when school starts back up. They get back into the tablets and their emails.
Just get you back into the swing of things. Let you know who still came back and what's new on the agenda. If your route changed, who knows, it could be your bus changed. That's Brian. He goes the same school as I do. Well, if you don't get the kinks worked out this week, it's a snafu next week.
Some of these drivers have been driving kids since they were in elementary school all the way up to high school. And, that says a lot about our team.
This is my 16th year. I enjoy doing this job.
I think it's important that they realize how much attention those kids get, and those relationships are so important to our staff.